Hello, my name is Jackson Coates, and this is my presentation, individual project number 2 on Dude Perfect. Uh, let's see. A background on Dude Perfect. Dude Perfect is an entertainment group of 5 guys from Frisco, Texas. These guys were they grew up together. They were even high school buddies, and they actually all attended the same college, which was Texas A&M, and they were even roommates there. And while they were roommates in college, they hung out a lot. And one day they were hanging out in the backyard at one of their houses, and they started messing around doing all these trick shots with the basketball goal, and figured why not record them and post them. So they did so, and ended up becoming a huge hit. Their earnings in 2019, Dude Perfect earned more than $20 million from their various endorsers and people that sponsor them to help bring their total net worth to $65 million in 2020. And that is current. Let's see here. Money revenue. Let's see. The money revenue for Dude Perfect. They make money off of selling merchandise, and just based on how many viewers they get from other advertisers or whatever that they display for banners and adverts on their videos. In their advertising world, the revenue model for this is often called CPM, which is cost per thousand. And this is an impression-based model that is dependent on how many views a YouTube channel may generate. Oftentimes, the CPM rate is around $1 to $6, just depending on the industry and quality of the visitor traffic. That just talks about how much they're making on each video. And I mean, in other words, like Dude Perfect is making bank. They're making millions of dollars and living this lifestyle that everybody wants to live. Let's see. Creating value. Dude Perfect is really good at creating value. I mean, they started in 2009. They've had multiple sponsorships and partnerships with companies like Nerf and Fiat, Bass Pro Shops, as well as a travel tour. They have one of those, and a clothing and merchandising online store. This is a great start to their venture, but can only be expanded. Their videos are often open to the public. Not often, they are always open to the public because they're on YouTube. And ever since Dude Perfect has started, they have not stopped making videos, as well as making a name for themselves. They are constantly making merchandise and presenting to the public via online. And I think let's see, we're going to talk about the marketplace now. Marketplace for Dude Perfect, it would just be online and through YouTube because they don't have any physical store. And they do tours and games, and they even have social media as well that you can reach them on. Dude Perfect has even partnered with Amazon and has their own merchandise store within Amazon on their online store, which I think is pretty cool. And personally, I think Dude Perfect can expand their brand name, I believe, by having more television broadcasts and just more social media connecting with the people, like live stream. The growth for Dude Perfect is amazing. Dude Perfect YouTube channel has over 55 million subscribers and over 12 billion views generated since March of 2009. That's when they began. On average, they post one video per week, which gets over 7.5 million hits within the first week. And in a day, the channel gets around 8 million views. And this, in turn, should generate, as estimated revenue, around $37,000 like a day. And that totals to $14 million a year. And that's just from ads that appear on the videos. And that was all based on NailBuzz. These are my sources. That's it. Thank you very much.